Welcome to another puzzle, the so-called twisted nail puzzle. This is what it looks like. You probably know it. You've probably cursed it. How do you take it apart? Well, have a look how I do it. This is how I start. You take the puzzle in your hands like this and you twist this piece around. Like so. And then you take it apart. How easy is that? Well, I can tell you not so easy before you saw this video, because otherwise you wouldn't be looking at it. Now, put it back together again. This end has to go through the eye, and this end has to go through the other eye. So, just like this. And then you turn it around and the puzzle is back together again. Easy peasy. Not. I'll show you again. So this is where you start. You turn this piece around like this. Don't force it. It should come easily. And you take apart the puzzle. There you go. Put it back together like this. Okay. That's how it should go. Once you've done this a few times, it will go more easily, as you can see. Please remember how to do this. Not difficult. You can do it. Goodbye.